Okay, in this video we are going to discuss what like terms are. We just want to be able to recognize them and be able to define them. We're not going to do too much with them yet until the next video. The idea of like terms comes with the idea of a term, which we're going to review. Remember that each term is going to have the coefficient part and the variable part. Okay, remember that we define term as the product of a coefficient and variable. So this is a multiplication of a coefficient and variable. Or a term can be a constant. In other words, a number that is all alone with no variable part. So each of these would be considered a term. So in order to have like terms are either going to be constants. So if you have just constants, those are going to be your like terms. Or if they have the same variable part. Okay? We don't care about the coefficient part. The coefficient can be the same, can be different. That part doesn't matter. We're looking for the same variable part of the term. If you have that, then you have like terms. So I'm going to give you some examples. In this addition problem, the like terms are going to be the ones with the same variable part. So our first set of like terms are going to be the 5x and the 2x because they both have an x for a variable. Our second set of like terms are going to be the two constants. They're like because they both are constants. They have no variable. So those are like terms. In another problem, here, these look very similar. And some people may say that all four of these are like terms, but that would be incorrect. The variable part here is x squared, and the variable part here is an x. Now, those are not the same thing. Okay, they are not exactly the same. So these two are, in fact, not like terms because the variable part is different. Now, it's only slightly different, but it is different. One of the ways that I've defined it in the past is you need identical twins for like terms. These are not identical twins. They might be brothers, but they're not identical twins. And so there is that difference there. So if I rewrite this problem, our first set of like terms are the x squareds. And the second set are the x's. So this is one set of like terms. This is a completely different set of like terms. So again, in review, in order to have like terms, they have to have the exact same variable part. So they need to be identical twins, not just brothers, identical twins. Or they have to both be constants. Your homework is going to be the like terms worksheet. When you complete that, you will check it with the key, check it over with me, and then you can move on to the next video.